In just a matter of weeks, this puzzle book soared to a staggering $1,659 per month, while another, released only a couple of months ago, raked in an impressive $3,694 monthly. But here's the jaw-dropping twist: a book launched at the end of last month is already generating a daily frenzy of sales, with an astonishing estimated revenue of $2,864. In today's video, I'm about to reveal the secret formula to not just competing but dominating your market. We're talking about turbocharging your business with the help of AI, from sparking genius product ideas to crafting sleek and professional products, all at lightning speed. This is the game changer you've been waiting for. So, buckle up and get ready to leave your competitors in the dust. But before we dive into this AI-powered adventure, make sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Let's get started. As I ventured into the realm of the latest word search games, my curiosity led me to Amazon's top-selling products. I was truly taken aback by the astonishing success of these books, having been on the market for just a month and already raking in thousands of dollars. It dawned on me that, in the world of self-publishing through Amazon KDP, anyone has the potential to create and release books similar to these. And that's precisely what I'll be sharing with you in today's video. Step 1. Choose a captivating theme. Before we dive into creating your very own word search puzzle book, you'll need to decide on an engaging theme. This theme could revolve around seasons, pets, places, or even special occasions. The possibilities are vast, but finding the right niche can be achieved through several methods. One of the simplest ways is to enlist the help of GPT Chat. Just ask it to provide you with a list of niches suitable for word puzzle books. This will give you a wide range of potential themes to explore. Once you have this list, consider your own interests. Let's say you have a passion for nature and wildlife. You can then request a list of sub-niches related to nature and wildlife from the chatbot. This will help you narrow down your niche to something like endangered species, rainforest animals, or even Australian wildlife. Step 2. Crafting your word search. As Halloween approaches, I'm gearing up to craft a captivating word search puzzle centered around this spooky theme. My plan was to create 2 puzzles for each topic, resulting in a grand total of 40 puzzles by the end. Keep in mind that you can choose to create more or fewer puzzles based on your preferences. I'm just illustrating an example here. As you may know, word search puzzles comprise 2 essential elements: the words to be found and the puzzle grid itself. Let's start by generating the words. You can simply ask ChatGPT to compile a list of words associated with the first topic. In my case, I focused on spooky creatures. Since I plan to create 2 puzzles per topic, each containing 10 words, I asked for a list of 20 words. Your next step is to repeat this process until you've generated words for all your chosen topics. To maintain organization, I recommend creating an Excel or Google sheet that lists the topics alongside their corresponding words. Step 3. Creating the word puzzle. As we venture into the puzzle creation process, we'll make use of a fantastic free website. You can find the link conveniently located in the video description below. When it comes to the puzzle title, it's not a critical factor. Input anything that resonates with your theme. Now, the number of rows and columns you select here plays a crucial role in determining the puzzle's difficulty level. Considering our target audience is adults, I opted for a 15 by 15 grid size to provide a satisfying challenge. Moving on, it's time to populate your puzzle with words. To do this, head back to the spreadsheet where you've diligently compiled your word lists. Copy the first batch of 10 words and paste them into the generator. Next, select the word directions, which will also influence the puzzle's level of difficulty. You can choose various directions for the words to be hidden, tailoring the experience to your preferences. For visual appeal, let's delve into color choices. I personally like to use black for the text and light gray for the grid lines. For the solution, I use green for the text and red for the lines. With your settings configured, it's time to bring your puzzles to life. Click Generate Word Search, and then proceed to Download Puzzle Image and Download Solution Image. This will provide you with two essential images, one for the puzzle itself and the other for the solution. To maintain an organized workspace, consider creating dedicated folders for each topic. This way, you can neatly store both the puzzles and their corresponding solutions. This level of organization will prove invaluable as you work on completing your word search puzzle book. Step 4. Designing your book with Canva. Now that you've got your meticulously crafted puzzles, it's time to bring them together and create the interior of your puzzle book using Canva. To kick things off, determine the dimensions for your book. A quick reference to similar listings on Amazon will help you identify the most commonly used book dimensions. For our example, we're working with a standard size of 8.5 by 11 inches. Next, navigate to Canva and start a new project with these custom dimensions. Begin by uploading your first puzzle and place it neatly in the center of your design canvas. Now, let's add the textual elements. Input the search words, the topic name, puzzle number, and if you're feeling creative, you can even incorporate some illustrations to enhance the visual appeal. To make the process efficient, take advantage of Canva's duplicate template feature. This will save you time and effort as you replicate the layout for each new puzzle. Simply swap out the image and adjust the text with the new puzzle information, and continue this pattern until you've seamlessly integrated all of your puzzles into the book. With the puzzle pages in place, it's time to add the solution pages to the end of your book. Simply insert the solution image alongside the corresponding puzzle number for each puzzle in your book. Once you've completed this step, download the templates as PDF files, print them out, and get ready for the next phase, creating the cover. Before we dive into step 5, if you're finding this journey enjoyable and insightful, may I kindly request your support? Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Now, let's continue. Step 5. Designing the cover. For crafting the cover, you'll need the correct dimensions, which you can obtain by heading to Google and searching for Amazon KDP Cover Calculator. Click on the first link, fill in the required information, and then click Calculate Dimensions. Download the template provided. Now, let's move on to the cover design. Start by creating a new design in Canva using the dimensions from the downloaded template. Before diving into the design, a helpful tip is to upload the PNG file of your cover and place it on your template. Then, press Shift+ or on your keyboard to display a ruler on the screen. Use this ruler to create guidelines based on the template, ensuring your design fits perfectly. To make sure your design aligns perfectly with the template, place the downloaded template above your design and adjust its transparency as needed. Once your cover design is complete, download it as a PDF file, print it out, and just like that, your word search puzzle book should be ready to go. Step 6. Publishing your book on Amazon. We've reached the final step. It's time to publish your book on Amazon. To begin, visit Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and follow the straightforward steps to make your book available to the world. It's the last piece of the puzzle in sharing your word search book with eager readers. As we wrap up this creative journey, from crafting engaging word search puzzles to publishing your book on Amazon, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever created a puzzle book before? And if so, what was your favorite theme? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful or if you're excited about the potential of earning passive income with AI puzzles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative insights and tutorials. Happy puzzling!